Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Motivational Agent channel. And I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. In this video, we're going to tackle a common challenge many of us face, staying fit and active without any fancy gym equipment. That's right, we're going to dive into effective home workouts without the need for any special gear. Whether you're short on time, budget, or simply prefer the convenience of exercising at home, this video is for you. Before we jump into the routines, let's quickly talk about the incredible benefits of working out at home. First and foremost, it's convenient. You can say goodbye to commuting to the gym and exercise right in the comfort of your living room. Plus, home workouts are incredibly cost-effective. No need for expensive machines or weights. You can achieve great results using just your body weight. The best part? Home workouts offer flexibility. You can fit them into your busy schedule, whether it's in the morning, during a lunch break, or even in the evening. So, get ready to break a sweat, feel amazing, and make progress towards your fitness goals, all from the comfort of your own home. Alright, let's kick things off with a comprehensive warm-up routine to get our bodies primed and ready for an effective workout. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's dive in and start our journey to a stronger, healthier you with these effective home workouts without equipment. Let's go! Please hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, and comment if you would want to see more stuff like this of home workouts. Number 1. Convenience. One of the major benefits of home workouts is the convenience they offer. You have the freedom to exercise whenever and wherever you want, without the need to travel to a gym or fitness center. Whether it's early morning, late at night, or during your lunch break, you can easily fit in a workout session without any hassle. Number 2. Cost-effective. Home workouts can save you money in the long run. Gym memberships, personal trainers, and specialized equipment can be expensive. With home workouts, you don't need any fancy equipment or expensive machines. You can achieve great results using just your body weight or basic workout tools like resistance bands or a yoga mat. Number 3. Privacy and comfort. Exercising at home provides a level of privacy and comfort that you may not find in a public gym setting. You can wear whatever you feel most comfortable in, crank up your favorite music, and focus solely on your workout without feeling self-conscious. Number 4. Flexibility. Home workouts offer unparalleled flexibility. You have the freedom to design your own workout routine, choose the exercises that suit your preferences and fitness goals, and modify them as needed. You can also adjust the duration and intensity of your workouts based on your schedule and energy levels. Number 5. Time saving. By eliminating the need to commute to the gym, home workouts can save you precious time. You can make the most of your workout time without any interruptions or waiting for equipment. With efficient workout routines, you can achieve great results in shorter time frames. Number 6. Customization. Home workouts allow you to personalize your fitness journey. You have the flexibility to choose exercises that align with your fitness level, goals, and any specific needs or limitations you may have. You can focus on strength training, cardio, flexibility, or a combination of different workout styles based on what works best for you. Number 7. Family and community engagement. Exercising at home can involve your family members or housemates, creating an opportunity for shared fitness experiences. You can motivate each other, challenge one another, and bond over a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, online fitness communities and social media platforms provide a virtual support system where you can connect with like-minded individuals and share your progress. Remember, home workouts offer a convenient and flexible way to stay active, and they can be just as effective as traditional gym workouts. So, embrace the benefits, create your own workout space, and get ready to achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your home. Here are some warm-up exercises you can include in your home workout routine. Number 1. Jumping jacks. Start with a classic exercise to get your heart rate up and warm up your entire body. Stand with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump while spreading your legs wide and raising your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat. Number 2. High knees. Stand in place and jog on the spot while lifting your knees as high as possible. Engage your core and pump your arms as if you're running. Aim for a quick pace to get your blood flowing and warm up your leg muscles. Number 3. Arm circles. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Begin making small circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size of the circles. After several rotations, reverse the direction. Number 4. Leg swings. Stand beside a wall or sturdy support. Place one hand on the support for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward, gradually increasing the range of motion. Repeat with the other leg. This exercise warms up your hip flexors and hamstrings. Number 5. Torso twists. Stand with your feet hip width apart and extend your arms out to the sides. Rotate your upper body from side to side, allowing your arms to swing along with the movement. This helps warm up your core and improve spinal mobility. Number 6. Shoulder rolls. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and relax your arms by your sides. Roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion, gradually increasing the size of the circles. After several rotations, roll them backward. Number 7. Hip circles. Stand with your feet hip width apart and place your hands on your hips. Make slow circular motions with your hips, moving them in one direction and then the other. This exercise helps loosen up your hip joints. Number 8. Side lunges. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Shift your weight to one side, bending your knee while keeping the other leg straight. Push off the bent leg to return to the starting position, and then repeat on the other side. This warms up your hips, inner thighs, and glutes. Number 9. Wrist rotations. Extend your arms forward at shoulder level, palms facing down. Make circular motions with your wrists, first in one direction and then in the opposite direction. This helps warm up your wrists and forearms. Remember to perform each warm-up exercise smoothly and gradually increase your range of motion as your body loosens up. The warm-up should last about 5 to 10 minutes, preparing your body for the main workout and reducing the risk of injury. Here's a full-body workout routine that you can perform at home without any equipment. Number 1. Push-ups. Targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the ground. Push back up to the starting position. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 2. Squats. Targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 3. Plank targets the core, shoulders, and glutes. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and forearms on the ground. Engage your core and maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Number 4. Alternating lunges. Targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle. Number 5. Mountain climbers. Targets the core, shoulders, and cardiovascular endurance. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, as if you're running in place. Number 6. Glute bridges. Targets the glutes, hamstrings, and core. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes, until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Lower your hips back down and repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 7. Superman. Targets the lower back, glutes, and upper back. Lie face down on the ground with your arms extended overhead and legs straight. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground simultaneously, squeezing your glutes and upper back. Number 8. Bicycle crunches. Targets the abdominal muscles, especially the obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted, knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Crunch up, bringing your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee while extending your left leg. Continue alternating in a controlled motion for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Perform each exercise back to back, with minimal rest between exercises. Once you complete one set of all the exercises, take a 1 to 2 minute rest and repeat the circuit for a total of 2 to 3 rounds. Remember to maintain proper form, engage your core, and listen to your body. Adjust the number of repetitions and sets based on your fitness level and gradually increase the intensity over time. Stay hydrated and enjoy your full body workout.